Good morning, everyone. I would like to showcase our pharmacy management system and point of sales application. This is the main dashboard where after getting the login, you will redirect to the dashboard where you can see that revenue details for 4th of September today. There is no invoice generated, it's a dummy system. And for the month of September and for the year to date, and upcoming follow-up if there is any. And if I go back to the POS system, so this is the look and feel of the POS system. My screen is little smaller, I cannot capture full. So you can see that list of medications are available here. So it's just two options. You can do the barcode scanning here. If you do the barcode scanning, automatically product will be selected to the next invoice screen. Uh, Otherwise, task screen you can use, and you can just select the items whichever you want to bill to the customers. So there are three items I have selected. If I want to remove one, I can remove from here, and then the rest will be billed to the customer. So we have option to hold it. Suppose if you are taking another customer, you don't want to bill right now, you can hold the items. Otherwise, you can just click on the pay, and you can change the currency. You can change the payment mode. If it is cash, you can select cash, card, whatever it is, and then pay. So as soon as you pay, it will be bill will be generated. This is the tax invoice, and it will print. So there are two formats. One is that the bigger format you can see now A4. Otherwise, it will be printed on the receipt print also, small printers, level printers or barcode printers. And I'll show you the items. If I take and I want to hold it for time being, it will be hold, and just need to keep it the remarks, but that can be customizable, configurable. If you don't want to put the remarks, it can be removed. And these items, if you go to the one hold, you can see that these items are one hold. So this is the one just now I put one hold. I can take it from here, edit, and it will go to the billing screen again, and I can bill from here. So my bill will be generated. So it's just simple click, one or two clicks, you can bill to the customer. It's very user friendly, and obviously it's faster system. And it is hosted on cloud. Still, you can see the speed. It's just milliseconds taking to generate the invoice. Other items what we have here, the task is normal. You can create the task. Suppose you want to have a meeting, or you want to deliver some items with a certain date, you can just keep a note on it. So if you go to the task ad, you can write the things what you want to do, and then date and phone number, and it will be listed to the task list. So task list, suppose, and then you can mention the status also. Suppose you send a quotation to somebody and then it's not following up, or you deliver item. So all those task related activities. Invoice, where you will see that invoice list, whatever invoices are generated. Suppose we created the invoice, so that will be listing here, and you can see the status also, whether due or cancel or paid. And you can see further from the, you can print it again from here, the invoice copy, and you can cancel the invoice if something is wrong, and you can see that audit drilled encounters things what happened with that invoice. We have multiple reports, today's collection. But before going to the reports, I'll show you that how the purchase happens, purchase related activities. Suppose you want to give the quotation to a customer, you just go to the quotation list, you can see from here. Otherwise, if you want to take the printout of the quotation, you can take the printout from here, and you can directly send to your vendor to get the items, pharmaceuticals company. Otherwise, quotation entry, you can come on the quotation entry, select the customer, which customer. Suppose it is, I'll just give Dermaclo. You want to get, you want to write the payment terms, whatever you want. Suppose 100% advance, those kind of things. 100% advance, and then you want to follow up with a certain date. Suppose this quotation is sent and you want to follow up after 7 days, you will just put a date. And other notes if you want. Then currency, automatically it is by default BSD, you don't need to do anything. And the product, suppose you want to Panadol, you want to send the quotation, you want to get the quotation. So I'm just adding one items, save it, and then your quotation The currency field is required. uh, BST. It will be by default BST. We need to just set it and then save it. So once it is saved, your quotation is done. You can go to the quotation list. You will find that quotation, what is the one we just did under Dermaglo. You can put the delivery note from here itself. You can see the print. So this is the quotation. You can send directly to your customers, to our customers. Otherwise, you can you can go to delivery note directly, and you can change the follow-up date also. Once you send the quotation, normally you want to follow up after certain days. What is the status of that quotation? You can set the quotation from follow-up date from here. And after receiving, after getting, suppose you want to now sending the items, and you can create the delivery note from here itself directly. So you can write the invoice number against which invoice you are doing that. And then if you want to write any notes, otherwise you'll just save it from here. If you want to add customer field is required, we need to select the customer, suppose same Dharma Club, and it will be your delivery note is generated. If I go back to the list and I will take the printout, my delivery note is ready. So it is as simple as that. So this is the item. I made the quotation and I am sending the delivery note to them. And there is purchase order. Now before the purchase order, this is the total inventory system, where you can request for purchase. We can generate a purchase order, and after generating the purchase order, its same screen will go to the GRM, good receipt note. So purchase order list, you can see one, you can see the status also from that, how much it is. So single screen you can maintain everything. You don't need to go multiple screens to do that. And suppose I want to do a purchase order entry, I'll write the just reference number, and then who is the supplier, suppose Roni Yadav, and I'll write a notes. If I want to attach a picture, I can do that. And otherwise I'll search the product. Suppose we have added Panadol, and some other product is there, I think PC surgical gloves. And then I want to give the discount, I can give discount with that amount, percentage, and otherwise discount amount will come automatically there. And then if I want to save it, I'll go back to my purchase list. I'll find that this is the one. So I have generated for Arun Yadav. It's showing the status is pending because it has to be confirmed first. So someone like who wants to confirm from the manager side, they can do, or the same guy, he can just confirm it based on the access road. So status is confirmed because the purchase order has to be confirmed before sending. Now you can take the printout and send the purchase order to the vendor. So this is a purchase order already generated. You can just take the printout or take the PDF copy and send to the vendor. And the GRN is showing pending. Once you will receive the GRN from the single screen, you will just click on the GRN entry. It will redirect all the items. If you are not receiving the same items, you can just change it. Suppose out of 10, maybe you receive 9. So you can change that quantity. And there is selling price. You can see the selling price is correct or not. All those things. If everything is fine, just save it. Yes, save. I think invoice number you have to put, because I forgot to put the invoice number for generating the uh, GRN. You must required to put the invoice number. So I'm just adding the invoice number. Yeah, my GRN is generated. I'll go to the GRN list. I'll find this is the one my generated is showing that generate its status is now received before it was pending, and it is fully received. That is what it's showing. If it is otherwise, if your quantity is changed, it will show the purchase partially pending, partially received. You have GRN return. If you want to return the items out of the quantity you received, you can do that. And gift card is something you can create the gift card. Suppose you want to create 10 BD, 20 BD, 50 BD gift vouchers to the patients. They will come and you can use that gift card while you do the billing. So from here, you can create the gift card. And after gift card, there's a coupon also. Same coupon, you can create number of coupons. Suppose 100 to 200 coupons or 1,000 coupons you are generating, and people they will bring the coupon. You will just add the coupon number, system will automatically validate it. Customer, these are masters like products, how we will create the product. So if you want to create the product, this is the product add screen where you can see that all those kind of things, medicine company, and then medicine type, category, all. And for adding the product, what we can do that, we'll send you an Excel file. On that Excel file, if you add all your existing products in just one click, we'll import all the products in the system. So it's basically 5 minutes job. Then other is category you can create, and then subcategory also you can create. Medicine type you can create. These are all masters. Medicine company you can create. Generic medicine name you can create. Supplier you need all those kind of things. And we have branch options. So if you are using this system in multiple branches, you can create the main branch and then sub branches, and it will be managed accordingly. And basically, this is the main overview, and we can go down deep dive with all the features we have. But to have a look on the system, this is the main overview of the our pharmacy management system. So it has connected with the accounting module also. I will take another video where I will show how accounting is happening. So all the sales you are doing, it is going to that accounting module. And report part, you can see here how many reports are there. It has a very beautiful report. Suppose today's collection, you can see that what is happening with this today's collection. What is the invoice number, receipt, shipping charges, due amount, all those kind of things, how it is collected, paid amount, gift card amount, if there is any, created by who created. And you can see more details onto view options. So that is that which branch it is, and then status is paid, shipping charge was there. So drill down, suppose kind of auditor reports. And we have invoice list where you can see that invoice collection list. Also you can see how much collected, what is the time, what is the receipt number, and all. Invoice number and invoice generated. And you can see that if there is invoice is cancelled, suppose I'm canceling an invoice, cancel an invoice. You just need to give the remarks of the canceling, and then I'll just cancel this invoice. So my invoice got cancelled now, and it will show you that status of the invoice is cancelled. Then you have option, we have a lot of other reports also. Under the reports, due invoice, if there is invoices due, cancel only, cancel receipt, aging report, where you can see this is very beautiful report where suppose these items you are about to receive a payment from a certain company, or this customer Dermaclo you are about to receive, which is pending for 0 to 30 days. If it is reaching 31, it will move here. So easily one click you can see that what is happening to this customer. And you can see that full details, and you can take the printout of that invoice also, which is invoice got due. And you can send to the customer that see this invoice is still pending. So this is what. And for the invoice, once invoice is created, you can send through SMS with the link, and or you can send email also. Whole invoice will be sent to the customer or patients to their email address. And you have staffs where you can add all your staff list. So the staff who are there, you can do the staff entry, branch and which designation. You can upload their relevant documents and all. So there are multiple functions, and I will take another video where I will show you how to do the accounting part. Thank you so much for your time, and we hope you enjoy the video. And this is the one of the best pharmacy management system, we believe. Thank you so much.